Hello, guys. I was playing around in the kitchen today. My wife was doing some cooking. She was cooking some fantastic focaccia muffins with different flavors. Now, I just wanted to show you how good that the camera was working, and I'm going to share it with you. I hope I don't make you too hungry. And really, this is a prompt to do a video that I wasn't planning on making. So here it goes.
Well, I think that's how they do. Yeah. It's gonna be all over because it's a oops. Ooh. I need a tray underneath. Yeah, I'm gonna need a tray underneath. All right. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna dimple this thing. Now the oil needs to go inside. Alright. Looks good. Looks good. Now I'm gonna do my first gonna be my pizza. How much I'm going to put in there, and then I'm going to do the olives, Kalamata olives. I'm going to put some tomato. Let me save some for the garlic now, and then I don't know, I think you just need to let all those things to go inside. I'm going to put some cheese on top. Like that. I think it's good enough. Okay, my second one. Oh, I need a spoon. I need a spoon, you know. Pre-home getting a spoon. I'm going to do this. No, small one. Garlic. Roasted garlic with, what's it? Oh, I forgot something. Okay. Roasted garlic with rosemary. Some tomatoes in this one. Right. Some Italian Italian seasoning. What do you think? It's looking good, right?
Yeah, looking good.
Oh, I need to put the cheese on those ones. Just gonna put one of those in there. Mix it all up. Okay. The cheese needs to go inside. I like it with the toppings. I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's gonna be quite a difference.
Yeah, different flavors. And those are savory. Well, pizza, savory, same thing. And then I'm gonna do the blueberry with cream cheese. So that's gonna go inside. 3, 4. I put 4 pieces of that inside. I don't know if it's a bit too much, but I will find out eventually. And then we just put this, look at this beauty. Oh, so good. I need some salt, mi amor. We're gonna put some salt in there.
Wow.
Looks good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pass me also the sugar, the small one that is in the cabinet. Okay, that's good. I'm just gonna do a little bit on top and sugar on top just to make sure. Because I don't think I put a lot of sugar in the blueberry, so just want to make sure. Alright. This is ready. Looks good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So let's just take some pictures down. We are done.
So go ahead and name them again. Just point at them and name at them. Name them.
Name it?
Describe them.
Okay. These are sourdough focaccia in a muffin tins with different flavors. These 4 here are savory, so these are pizza, kind of pizza style, pizza toppings. These 2 here are garlic, roasted garlic with rosemary, tomatoes, and mozzarella cheese. And this one here are sweet. They are blueberry with cream cheese.